Alright, so today we are doing a pin and weld job. If you're new to this, you don't know what a pin and weld job is or understand why, your barrel has to be 16 inches long. Can't be any shorter than that. You can, however, go with a 14.5-inch barrel, and when you put a muzzle device on it, if you pin and weld it where it can't easily just be screwed off, it gives you the overall length of 16 inches, which makes it completely legal. So that is what we're going to be doing. All we're going to do is take this off, drill a hole in it, and then put a little countersink in there for some weld, cut our pin that we're going to use, put a little dimple in the barrel itself and the threads, and line it up properly, put the pin in and weld it in place, and it is done. And as far as this muzzle device, this was sent by BreekArms. They sent a couple of things out. This is going on, I may have not mentioned it before, but this is going on a complete FDE build that we're doing. This is the BFO flash hider. You can check that out on their website. It does have external threads here, which I think is 13/16 by 16, for you to be able to put this flash can type device on here. Just screws right over it. I went ahead and went with this because I'm going to coat this in FDE so it goes with the rest of the build and isn't just black sitting out of the end of it. And this is called their Castle Blast Shield, which you can also find on their website. Pricing varies. If you get this and then get this, you'll actually spend more than if you buy this. You have the option to add this onto it, which will save you a couple of bucks. Something else that they sent out that is unrelated to this video, but it is going in the complete FDE build, is their newly released charging handle. This is the Sledgehammer from them that is also FDE. You can get it in a couple of different colors. That's going on this build. So now I'm going to shut up, take this over to the shop, and do this and show you how it's done. Something else, if you're thinking about doing this, be sure before you do the pin and weld job, make sure this is all together and you have your barrel nut and gas block attached, because if you pin and weld this on here and you haven't done that, that is not going on anymore. So let's head over to the shop and get this done.